Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video. In this video, I'd like to talk about the gas market, natural gas, Natgas. A lot of people ask me for what my take is on the topic, the gas prices, and I'll talk you through my take on the market based on an Elliott wave analysis and where I see the market. And currently, I still see the market to sell off further. I don't think this is complete yet. This sell-off that we basically started in June, yeah, so it hasn't actually taken that long. A highly volatile market, very volatile. My view is that if we start here in January 22, yeah, that all of this was a large impulsive wave to the upside, a wave one that was complete. And from a Fibonacci retracement point of view, what we're doing here at the moment, I believe, is currently a wave two. So a larger wave two, similar to what, for example, the crypto markets are doing, what I believe silver is doing, for example, yeah, all coming down in a wave two, always trying to reach here these Fibonacci levels. In this case here again, I would be very much in favor of the price going into the region between the 88.7% Fib level and the 78.6% Fib level, basically between 424 and 481. I still think this is probably the most likely outcome for this wave two. A drop below the 88.7% Fib level would not be healthy. Then we can see prices of 360 and maybe even lower, while I don't see that. Yeah, I don't see that. I think we are going to see here probably one more lower low, and that could take us here either to the 78.6% Fib level or the 88.7% Fib level. This is how I see it. After this, we should start to see a move up, yeah, in wave three. So I'm actually very bullish on the gas price. Now, this is not good for anybody who's heating with gas. I'm doing this, for example. I'm doing this. But after this, we would see a wave three to the upside, and that is then a possibly significant price increase. A wave three is normally the most bullish wave in an uptrend, and let's say we come down to the low here at 422 roughly, then we are seeing prices here above $13. However, to do that, there are basically three key levels that would need to be taken out on the way to the upside. We've got a key level here, or two levels at least. We've got a key level here, which is the wave A low, which is here around $8. And then obviously we've got the all-time high, and then this level above $13 is the target if we make a new all-time high. Yeah, so not just so that you have a bit of orientation where we are going to go in this third wave. Now, looking at this, where are we in this subwave count? A wave C is a 5-wave move. This is quite a complex move down. So I'm just not showing you all subwaves, but my take on it is that this here was a wave one. This a wave two, always characterized by a very strong retracement. Then we see here the subwave starting 1, 2, then a 3. Yeah, the wave 3 is normally the longest wave, therefore it makes sense that this is the wave 3, but it can't be the wave 3 here in yellow because it's not long enough. Therefore, it is just the subwave of the wave 3 here. This was then the wave 4 in my opinion, and we moved down in a wave 5. And I believe this is a 5-wave move. Let me just put that here on the chart. Then here possibly a 4 and a 5. Yeah, let me just double check that. 1, 2. Then we had within the wave 3 that you can see here again, wave 3 the longest wave usually, not always, but oftentimes. Then we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I would say this is a very valid count. Then we probably retraced here in a wave 4, and the question is now what are we doing now? Yeah, has this wave 5 already finished? Problem is I can't really count 5 waves. You know, the wave 5 in itself is a 5-wave move. So until a few days ago, I would have said we are here still in the wave 5. And within this wave 5 that we've seen here, a 1, 2, 3, here a wave 4 retracement, and a 5 down. Well, you could say this was possibly the 5 down. Yeah. So could we say it is over? Possibly, honestly, possibly. This all depends on what happens next. So from a shorter time frame Elliott wave point of view, and I'm a bit surprised myself, but we could say, okay, here 5 waves, we can count 5 waves as complete. Now there's 2 possibilities. Oops. Possibility 1, indeed, 5 waves complete, low is in. Yeah. For a wave 2, we've come down low enough. I mean, we've come below the 61.8% fib level. The problem is we have not reached the next fib level, and turning around sort of in the middle of nowhere is normally not great. Yeah, we've seen it in the crypto market when I told you all along that we have to come lower, 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 because a lot of times we turned around in the middle of nowhere. But ideally, when we have a trend reversal, we want to turn around at a higher level, Fibonacci level. So my take on this would be that because we have not reached the next fib level, this might only be a wave 1 of that wave 5, which would be quite bearish, to be honest. This would suggest this is wave 1, this is wave 2, which, to be honest, should not go above 682, 683. So if we go any higher, we would need to redo this whole count. And we could potentially consider something more bullish. So above 683, we could consider something more bullish, and I'll keep you updated about that. But if we reverse down below 683, and that would be actually my primary expectation at the moment, then we can expect that this is going to unfold in a wave 3. So here, that this was the wave 1 of the wave 2 of the wave 5. This here, the wave 2 of the wave 5. That we're coming down in a wave 3 of the wave 5, then a wave 4 of the wave 5, and a wave 5 of the wave 5. Just to show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that could unfold in something like an ending diagonal pattern, where you might have something like a overlapping waves, yeah, and then necessarily it doesn't need to be that long. It could unfold as something like a descending wedge. That would be exactly this, an ending diagonal. Let's see how this is going to play out. Again, just to sort of an assumption here, I don't know, this could unfold like something like that, just to simply show you such a diagonal pattern. And that would also be a bullish reversal pattern. So it remains interesting here. I'll definitely keep you updated. Key level to watch out for now is this 684, 683 level. A move above that would potentially unlock higher prices. First of all, I would say here to that fib level at $7.12, and then if we break above that to the next fib level at $7.95. However, support on the downside. Now, if we really reverse here, I mean, then we will make a lower low, in my opinion, below 534, and then fall into this main retracement area where I would expect this, the Natgas price to land in the end, and then do a major trend reversal there. I'll keep you updated. This depends on how far wave 5 is now going to extend, and the next bull run could be a significant one here on the Natgas chart. Okay, that's only how I see the market again. Yeah, no financial advice at all. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.